Hey, you know what would be a great idea?
What?
Because we're so bored?
What?
If we spy on the Mexican people at Tinka Taco.
Yeah, I guess.
That would be fun!
Okay, here we go.
Nothing, nothing, nothing. Still nothing. 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 Hey, look, there's someone! Holy crap!
Hello! Would you like a squirrel?
No! Thank you! I'm fine!
Okay!
Let's just spy on him.
You sure you don't want a taco?
Yeah, sure!
Okay! How about a burrito?
No, thank you!
Okay!
No!
I'm gonna go back to Tinka Taco!
Okay, hurry! He's gone. He's gone. What? Now wasn't that just fun?